Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's a cold and frosty morning. I've been off doing other things a couple of days. Now, a couple of things to show you. First of all, I've been doing some 3D printing, and these are some links I've made to go between the inch models. I had a Hornby link, and it was like linking together one in each pocket, and with a hook in the middle type of deal. And it wasn't going around the corners very well, but the ones that were already in with this type, and they were going around the corners, so I just printed 5 of those. Take them off there and what have you. So those are good. Now, as you all know, I've got sockets down this business end where I am now, and a couple of sockets midway, and people pointed out, including Stretch. I remember Stretch saying, "Oh, you could do with sockets down the end. What are you going to do if you need to do something down the bottom end?" Well, I didn't want to bother with putting sockets everywhere and then having cables and wires trailing like the last one. This is supposed to be tailor-made, this shed, isn't it? So I got a cordless little soldering iron. I don't know if it's display or something like that. I'm going to test if it works, as simple as that. It came, you've got the USB charger, little kit here for resting it on, little rest, and sponge that you dampen for wiping and cleaning on. I'm not actually going to solder anything, I'm just going to see if it works and melt some solder. Got some solder paste in here. So they sent out, they didn't say they were going to send the kit, I was just expecting this. It charges up. If you leave it running, it switches itself off after 10 minutes or so. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to fit it in. It comes with that solder tip. You can buy other ones of these nibs. You go to Amazon, you get it next day if you've got Amazon Prime. And it's just a socket in there. Just push it in. Make sure it's lodged in. Push this to 3 different heat settings. You're supposed to leave it pushed in for a little while, 5 seconds or more. See, it's on the heat setting number 1 there. It senses even some little solder flux, solder flux. So I'm just going to see if it works like we think it should. I'll push it again. Heat number 2, heat number 3. I haven't even charged it up, so I'm relying on. I can see it smoking there. You can see it smoking. Yeah, that's going to work fine and dandy. I'll just put that on. 5 seconds. Take it off. Now we'll let that cool down. I'm very pleased with that, so I can just wander about with that and take it about with me wherever I go, you know. So when I'm down the bottom end of the layout, and if I have to solder underneath, which I don't really want to have to do, but I can easily get under with that, and it won't be a bother. Now the other thing I got while I was getting this is a mini cordless grinder as well, and this works splendid. I've already tried it. I'll just show you. Same again, 5 volt USB. Sorry, 5 volt USB Type C charger. It's on a sounding drum and a couple of spindles and that. But I've got a lot of spindles. Metal saw there. But I've got these diamond ones. I got these a little while ago. Half a dozen of these diamond cutters, and they work well. And this is the same principle. You charge it up, and there's 3 switches on it. Switch it on. Speed number 1. Number 2. 3. 5-speed, lovely jubbly, works very well, and that again is going to be exactly the same. I can wander that around the layout without worrying about trailing cables and everything like that. So it's just a quick, it's a bloody frozen cold morning out there. I've got the heat on in here, I've got a fan heater and the halogen going, but it's taking its time, it's a big space to warm up. I've done nothing on the layout further, but I certainly shall be doing very soon. Just a quick look at those things that I got mail order. I've had my granddaughter, so I haven't even been able to get in here. She's gone back to her mum's for a few days now. Anyway, that's all it is. Thank you all for looking in. I do appreciate it. And I do appreciate you sticking with me. These are wonderful little items. You can get them at eBay or Amazon. I've no doubt you can get them on that AliExpress and Temu as well. But if you want them quick, Amazon's your man, but you'll pay a little bit more, but that doesn't really matter, does it? They're all made in China, wherever you buy them from, everything's made in China. And so you're getting the same product, just from a different supplier. Right, I'm going to go. Thank you ever so much for looking in. Do appreciate it. Take care, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye for now, my friends.